Hello everybody, good morning. This is just a really short video to say I am doing a live today on another channel. The channel is for Suzie's Craftroom. I will put a link on below in the description for Suzie's Craftroom's channel. It's around 3 hours from now, just like sort of 2 hours 45 minutes from now. It's going to be 1 o'clock South African time. It's going to be about 12 o'clock noon in the UK, and it will be 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast. So just less than 3 hours from now, I'll be doing a live. It's going to be about the YouTube tip videos and finding out what people want to know and answering your questions if I can do it, without actually showing you a screen of how to show it. And everything that I can't show you, I will be able to make a video afterwards to show it to you and to answer those questions. So if you want to come and support me, that would be really lovely. See you at 1 o'clock or whatever time zone you are in. Thank you. Bye.